2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
So, hi, my name is Serena. I got a skateboard and I finally got one. I am really excited to open this, so let's just get right into it. I got a 7.75 skateboard from Skate Warehouse. So yeah, you guys will see the design once I open it. Ooh, this is what it looks like. It's my receipt that you cannot look at here. Whoa, okay, I'm excited. What? Oh. Ooh, this is nice. Okay. Looks nice. Let's try something. I'm scared.
Stop it. Get some help.
First one.
Probably roll on it. It's a little hard to turn.
To like move my foot, because you know how like people they turn and then like they move like this.
Yeah.
Since it's like grippy for me, that it's like scary for me to move my foot.
Mm-hmm.
So, like,
yeah, it's a little hard for me to turn.
yeah, or like to even be straight.
Woo! Like Serena.
That's scary.
That's
but
fun.
Very fun. And I'm gonna get better. Getting comfortable on my board. This is just day one, y'all. Get ready for skateboard series.
Yep.
Process project. Stay tuned for day 2.
See you later, y'all.
Few moments later.
I've always to do that. Wait, Ollie, come here. You look so cute. Come here, Ollie. Ollie. Oh, your paws are wet.
Oliver. Ollie doing Ollie.
Can you come? And you got started. Hello. It is day 2. Today I'm just going to be getting comfortable on my board, trying to just, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but do more like tic-tacs on the board. You know, that's when you like, I'll show you. But, and yeah, just like trying to ride on the board, throw the board on the floor, and jump on it. So, we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna try and just do better with my pushing. I also noticed yesterday that my trucks were very loose, so I just I tightened them a bit more. I don't know if that helped, if I have to do it more, but I guess we'll see. Because I'm doing like small ones, but I want to do like bigger ones.
Whoa!
I almost fell there. That's why I think that my trucks are still too loose. I don't have an actual skater tool, not yet, so I'm sure I'm gonna buy one soon. But for now, we're gonna use my dad's tool thingy, mabobber, and then we're just gonna tighten them.
Better?
Yeah, so much better. That's a tip that I would give you, is tighten your trucks. Especially when you get a complete in the mail, because they like just do everything for you. So I think the trucks are better now. Since I kind of got it, I'm gonna try and throw it.
And then like skate on it.
Yeah. Okay, I was just getting the movie.
Oh my God, Serena. Oh my God. Wow. Are you okay?
That was scary.
Okay, do that again.
I did it! Yay!
fun. I want to try it on here. Let's see, can I do it? I did it! Yes, baby! Maybe he will go on this time. I don't know. I want to get very comfortable with my skateboard today. Like super duper comfortable. That's my main goal today. Just to really ride my board and actually ride it. So let's get into that. Sorry, you're too close. Wait, so what do you want me? You just I'll be like 3 feet Whoa, that was cool. Cool. Do you guys like my skier outfit? What's gonna call me a poser after this? Wait, 39. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. That's a workout and a half. This is Mr. Twinkie. Hi, Twinkie. There you go. You're so cute. I wonder if Juice would be a cute skater dog. Oh, Mr. Twinkie. Okay. Twinkie's a scaredy cat and a half. So, good. He's on the board. And he's sitting. You're gonna trip. He gets mad very easily. Oh, I wanted to try something. So I've been wanting to try like how skaters they pick up their board in a really cool way. So I'm gonna try the one where they put their foot down and it goes like all the way on their foot, and then they like twist around and do that. Wow, I actually did that pretty well. Let's try it again. That was actually not that bad. Hold on a second. I believe they...
Dang!
I did it!
That was cool.
Oh my god, that was so clean. How the heck did I do that?
Okay, do it again.
Wow, I surprised myself. Okay, let's do it again.
Beginner's luck. It's probably easy.
I mean, it's not not that difficult, but like, that's so fun. That's fun. I want to do it again. Let's see if I can do it again.
Third time's another charm.
Twinkie gonna get scared seeing this. That's the stuff. Love it all. I felt like that was kind of hot and better. I don't even know. Yeah. I literally launched forward and almost hit my face. Oh my god. Thank you guys for watching. I think that's going to be the end of my video. But I had so much fun making this video and just doing all these cool tricks. Comment down below your favorite skateboard trick and leave a like, subscribe if you want. Maybe you might see more skate videos in the future like this. So thank you for watching. Bye! I think he wants to go inside. Inside? Let's go inside. Yeah. Let's go inside, yeah.